Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, let me show you how to use Canva with AI. So let's begin. Log into Canva. On the left panel, scroll down to Magic Media and click on it. Select the style of the image you want to create and click Inspire Me for AI-generated ideas. Click Generate to create the image. Once the image is created, right-click and choose the set image as background. For new text ideas, click Inspire Me again and select the style and aspect ratio you want. Generate the image and add it to your canvas. To create similar images, click the three dots on an image and select Generate More like this. Once satisfied, just save the project. And there you go. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.